Okay, so good day everyone. My name is Shola, and I'm glad to come your way again. So today I'll be teaching you how to use Gemini Nano Banana to create images, to interact, to do a lot of things. So I'll be showing you how to do that today. So the first thing you need to do is, if you are using your iPhone or Android, go to iOS store. Go to iOS store or go to your Play Store and type Gemini. So some of you are going to see Gemini app. Some of you are going to see Gemini. So anyone just download, just click on it. So you see this Gemini. This Gemini you are seeing now. Look at the logo very well. That's the one you are downloading. So I have mine already downloaded. So just click on open. So this will open up. This will open up your Gemini app, right? So when this open up your Gemini app, you have to sign in or sign up using your Google account. So after signing up or signing in, right, this is what you are going to see. This is what you are going to see here, right? So now, if I want to create stunning images, I want to do a lot of things regarding images on this Gemini app. So what I need to do is to click on create image. Look at create image here. So if your own is not showing create image here, click on this sign. You'll see create images there. Then click on it. Right? So you have now, your Gemini is now in Nano Banana. So what else you're going to do is to upload your images. Click on this plus sign. Click on gallery. So let's say I want to use this very dark man image, right? I will upload it into Gemini app. So first thing I want to do is that I will now say change the cloth to a Yoruba native clothes. Let's say I want to change it to Yoruba native clothes. I want this image to change. I will just click on send. Just watch what will happen to this very dark man's image. Just hold on and see. This loads faster if your internet is faster. Get so. This is it. So look at this now. You see that it has changed the clothes, right? So I can now say, please pay attention now. I can now say, okay, change it to a Hausa cloth and make it a full image. Just watch what will happen now. Just watch what will happen now. Just watch what will happen now. Look at it. look at how it transforms um, this very dark man's image. So you can do that also with your image. You can do that also with your image, right? So let's try something else, right? So click on create image, like I told you now, to change to Nano Banana. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload image. So let's say I'm uploading this image, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say change the background to a studio like background with green and purple color, right? Just watch what I'm doing now. So I'm telling you to change the background. to a green and purple color, right? And I say change the dress, the cloth, to an office suit of brown color. Now watch what will happen. Watch what will happen. So look at the image I uploaded. Then look at what it's going to do to this image. So all these things you can just do, give prompt. So the group I'm going to create, I'm going to be dropping. Look at the way I came out. Clean. Can you see? So on the group I'm going to create, I'll be sending prompts so that you guys can be trying the prompt one by one, be trying the prompt and be engaging and all. You get, so that's what I'll be doing on the group. So the last but not the least on images like this, right? So let's say I am scrolling through I'm scrolling through Facebook and I see an image of someone I like. Um, okay, so let's say this, right? This is Julian Alvarez. So, and I like this Jesse and I like all this, right? So, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take it to Gemini. Then I'll create a new chat. Then I'm going to upload. I will not change it to Nano Banana yet, right? What I want to do is that I want to generate prompt. And I said, generate the image description for the uploaded image. Don't include the face and skin tone. So what I'm saying is that you should generate the description, the prompt for this image, and you shouldn't consider the color and the skin tone and the face. So I'm just going to click. Remember, I didn't change to create image, right? I just want to generate the prompt I'm going to use. So you can use that. You can do it for any image. You see now, a medium shot of a male soccer player sitting in. So what I will do is that I will copy. Then I'll open another this, right? Then click on create nano banana, create image. So I will now upload the image I want. So let's say I want to upload, um, let me upload this image, right? I'm going to place it now. I will now say include the face and skin tone of the uploaded image. You see the difference now? I'll now click on. So just watch what will happen now. So let's watch what will happen to this image now. Look at the image I uploaded, right? So remember I downloaded an image that I like. I like the way the Jesse is. I like everything about the image. So I want to now place myself inside the image. So for ladies that they see maybe picture of Regina Daniel, the dress she wore that she likes and all, you can just get the image description, right? Getting the image description, then you can turn it to. So look at what it generated for me now. Look at. Are you seeing it now? With the J Alvarez, what happened with J Alvarez Jesse? Look at it now. Are you seeing it? Very clean and okay. So if you want to save, you click on this button to download the image to your gallery, right? So There's no need for you to go to a photo studio. There's no need to go to anything. Just ask it to, like the one I did the other time, to change the background. Just look at any background that you want. You can even upload it the background and ask the AI to generate the image, the background description for you. You use it for your photo, and all you see to come out very very clean. So I'll be dropping some other prompts on the group for us. So this is just how to use it. And also a bonus, you can also write a storybook, right? You can write a storybook with Gemini. So as you can see here, you click on storybook. My 7-year-old doesn't want to sleep over at their grandma's house. So you can just choose a story, choose a storyline, and prompt it, and Gemini will generate the storybook for you, right? So if you want to create another, you come to click create new chart. Then the way we did it on the video. So just watch this video, again, watch it again and again for you to master it. So from time to time, I'll be dropping prompts, and for us to try on the group. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for this, and I'm going to see you next in the next video, and other things we'll be doing. Thank you so much. Bye for now.